Consider yourself marooned on a remote island. When you pry open the treasure chest, you discover there is no gold or jewelry within. Instead, a message reading "Congratulations" is what you discover. Either 1,000 units of a mutual fund or 1 Bitcoin have just been left to you. Choose carefully. Which do you choose? Buckle up, because we're about to plunge headfirst into the confusing maze of investments today: crypto versus mutual funds. The age-old struggle between the conservative, steady mutual funds and the brash, volatile, and potentially explosive cryptocurrency. It's similar to contrasting an unexpected, electric hare with an aged, sensible tortoise. Which one, nevertheless, will lead you to the luxuriant oasis of financial success? Commence with mutual funds. Think of them as a welcoming group of investments. They spread your money around because they are diversified, much like an overly enthusiastic gardener scattering seeds. They have everything: stocks, bonds, short-term debt, you name it. They are run by money smarties who take care of the grunt work for you. For your money, it's like having a butler on staff. Sounds nice, doesn't it? On the other hand, explore the mysterious world of cryptocurrency. Think of it as an untamed, unpredictable stallion. Its worth may soar to the moon one day before crashing to Earth the next. However, if it takes off, it might leave conventional investments choking on their space dust. Crypto experts may claim it's the currency of the future, but keep in mind that it's a rough ride and not for the timid. The real kicker, though, is here. Mutual funds are dependable and pleasant like a slow-cooked dish, yet they might not add much spice to your financial life. Although consistent, their returns hardly ever reach those eye-catching levels. Cryptocurrencies, however, can be risky and possibly profitable like a hot chili pepper, but they also carry the potential for a severe case of financial indigestion. Back to our island puzzle now. Crypto may appeal to you if you're a daredevil who lives for the next big adventure. But keep in mind that there is always a risk along with a high potential gain. Mutual funds, however, can be your ticket off the island if you like the tranquil waters of consistent growth and can't handle the financial roller coaster. In conclusion, it's not about good or terrible, but rather about what appeals to your investment preferences. Do you prefer taking risks or seeking safety? You have the key to the future. You might be asking, why not both? But hold on. That's a tale for another day, I suppose. Until then, keep making investments, keep learning, and never forget that in the world of investments, knowledge is the true gold. Choose carefully.